Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I am going to show you how to change the app icon on your iPhone. So let's start. First, open the Siri Shortcuts app. Now tap on the plus icon on top right corner. Then tap on Add Action. Now tap on Scripting. Then select Open App. Now tap on Choose to select an app. I'll just select Facebook. Now tap on three dots on top right hand side. Now give a name to this shortcut. Then tap on Add to Home Screen. Here I will name it Facebook. Now tap on the icon and tap on Choose Photo to select a photo from your gallery. Select any photo you like. Then tap on Choose on bottom right corner. Now tap Add on top right corner. Now tap Done. Now tap Done again. And your shortcut is ready. On the home screen, here you will see that a Facebook app has been added with the picture we recently selected for it. And that's how you can change app icon on iPhone. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.